Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to restart the remote desktop service in Windows 11. And now, let's get started. To restart the remote desktop service on your Windows 11 computer, begin by opening the Windows search bar. Type the word services into the search bar and select the services application that appears in the results. Once the services window is open, scroll down the list of services until you find the one labeled Remote Desktop Services. Select this service, then right-click on it to bring up a context menu. From this menu, you will have the option to either start or restart the service. Choose the Restart option to effectively refresh the remote desktop service. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.